Assalamu alaikum student. Welcome to Pakistan Montessori International. Mathematics file, practical number 9, multiplication. Here today in this particular practical, we are going to tell you about the source of multiplication in which there are 3 different practicals. In one single practical, you will find 3 practices of multiplication. The first, multiplication chart. We need to have 1 or 2 multiplication charts in which there is a graph of tables. The graph of table shows 1 to 10 downwards, 1 to 10 upwards, left to right and in a row. Mentioned with 2 different colors. If you are writing mathematics in English, definitely it should be on your left hand side, or if it is in Urdu or some other language, the numbers writing should be according to that sequel. But in a graphic chart, you should have the whole table of numbers. There is a box of slips with the multiplication combination from 1 multiplied by 2 to 10 multiplied by 10. This helps child to learn tables. And tables are essential for multiplication. The 3-period lesson should be observed. Presentation. The directress shows the child how to use the chart 1. She takes out a slip, for example, 4 multiplied by 3. On a strip, 4 multiplied by 3 equation has been written. First, find 4 on the top of the chart, and then find 3 on the right hand or left hand side. Place 2 fingers or a pencil or a stick on the 2 numbers. Start moving the fingers or the tip of pen or a stick, sliding down and along until they meet. The answer is find. Calculate and count the numbers in between with the help of finger and show where the record of the answer. In the same manners, multiplication chart, the child has to do some more slip work. They have their equation slips with them. They have their answer slips with them. Thank you so much.